Hello everyone, it's nice to see you all again. I know it's been a little while, but I finally have a little free time to make some videos again. I thought we could flip through this coloring book called Endangered Species of 2025. It hasn't been colored in, but I'll read one fun fact for each species. The first chapter is critically endangered species, and they have an extremely high chance of becoming extinct in the near future, meaning they could disappear from the wild altogether. African forest elephant. These elephants have unique trunks, which are straighter and downward facing. This helps them navigate through dense forests. The Amur leopard. They are nocturnal, highly elusive, and typically hunt alone. Black rhino. These rhinos have weak vision but excellent smell and hearing abilities. Bornean orangutan. Some adult males develop large cheek pads and a throat pouch that help them attract females and intimidate threats. Cross River gorilla. With only 200 to 300 left in the wild, they are considered the rarest great ape in the world. Eastern lowland gorilla. Since the 1990s, habitat destruction and poaching have led to a dramatic decline of population of over 50%. Hawksbill turtle. These turtles have existed for over 100 million years, dating back to the age of dinosaurs. Javan rhino. They are elusive and solitary, preferring to live alone, except for mothers with calves or mating pairs. Kemp's Ridley. They have a triangular shaped head and a slightly hooked beak, which provides strong crushing surfaces for breaking apart prey like crabs. Sala. Unlike other endangered species, no sala has survived in captivity for more than a month. Sumatran elephant. They are essential for the forest ecosystem as they help spread seeds as they move through the forest. Sumatran orangutan. They spend most of their lives in trees, making it very rare to see an orangutan walking on the ground. Sumatran rhino. They are the closest living relatives of the extinct woolly rhino, which roamed the earth during the Ice Age. Sunda tiger. Sunda tigers play a key role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem by regulating prey populations and supporting biodiversity. Vaquita. In Spanish, vaquita means little cow, a name that highlights their small size and gentle demeanor. Western lowland gorilla. This gorilla species is most commonly found in zoos. Yangtze finless porpoise. In China, it's affectionately called the smiling angel due to its constant grin-like expression. This brings us to the next chapter, which are species that are at risk of becoming extinct due to the rapid decline in their population. This is caused by habitat loss, climate change, hunting, pollution, and invasive species that disrupt the ecosystem. African savanna elephant. As most other elephants, they form family groups led by a female matriarch, and multiple families often come together to create clans of hundreds. African wild dog. Their large bat-like ears regulate body temperature and improve hearing, making them exceptional hunters. Black-footed ferret. They are highly dependent on prairie dogs, relying on them as both a primary food source and for shelter. Blue whale. These whales are the largest animals to have ever lived, surpassing both living and extinct species in size. Bluefin tuna. There are 3 species of bluefin tuna: Atlantic, Pacific, and Southern. Bonobo. Bonobos and chimpanzees share 98.7% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest living relatives. Bornene elephant. These elephants have larger ears, straighter tusks, and some have an exceptionally long tail that can reach the ground. chimpanzee. Each night they construct new nests in trees using branches and leaves to ensure a comfortable rest. Fin whale. Fin whales can mate with blue whales, producing fertile hybrid offspring that can thrive into adulthood. Galapagos penguin. They form strong pair bonds, often staying with the same mate for multiple breeding seasons, sometimes even for life. Ganges river dolphin. They characteristically have a sleek, elongated snout, a dusty brown hue, and a distinct triangular ridge in place of a dorsal fin. Green turtle. In extreme cases, they can stay underwater for up to 5 hours by slowing their heart rate. Hector's dolphin. These species lack a pronounced beak like other dolphins, giving them a more compact face. Humphead wrasse. They can consume toxic marine creatures like bachfish, sea hares, and pufferfish without harm. Indian elephant. In Hinduism, Indian elephants hold deep spiritual significance and are closely linked to Lord Ganesha, the deity of wisdom and prosperity. Indus River dolphin. These dolphins likely lived in the ancient Tethys Sea, but adapted to rivers when the sea dried up about 50 million years ago. Irrawaddy dolphin. These dolphins use a hunting technique called fish whacking, where they slap their tails on the water to stun and gather fish for an easier catch. Monarch butterfly. While most of these butterflies have a short lifespan of 2 to 6 weeks, the migratory generation can survive for up to 8 months. Amazon gorilla. Their thick fur can withstand cold temperatures of high altitude forests where conditions can become harsh. North Atlantic right whale. Their feces act as a natural fertilizer, enriching ocean waters and stimulating plankton growth, which aids in carbon absorption. Red panda. Despite their name implies, red pandas are actually more closely related to raccoons, skunks, and weasels rather than the giant pandas. Sea lions. The U.S. Navy trains sea lions to locate mines and detect enemy divers. Sei whale. These whales consume approximately 1 ton of food daily, primarily consisting of plankton, krill, and small fish. Sri Lankan elephant. These elephants have dark skin with distinct pale patches on their ears, face, trunk, and belly. Tiger. They have exceptional night vision, enabling them to see 6 times better than humans in low light conditions. Whale shark. These sharks are the largest fish in the world, yet they are docile and gentle by nature. And it looks like we've reached the end of the book. Here is a note section, and on the right hand side are some tips on how you can improve biodiversity. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking with me. If you are interested in this coloring book, it will be in the description below. I personally published it on Amazon about a week or so ago. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful sleep.